Hi beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you want to see me going from this to this, then please watch this video. I'm firstly going to start off by detangling my hair. I will be using a comb, a brush, and some water. This is a quick and easy hairstyle. It's like 1 2 3 and then you are done. I like to do this hairstyle between my wash days, especially when my hair becomes dirty and super oily. I love to do this hairstyle on days like that. When I am done detangling my hair, I will tie it up into a ponytail. Thereafter, I will apply some Iso Plus styling gel to the perimeter of my hair. Then I will brush my hair and tie it up into a ponytail again. I will be using a pan maker to make my pan. I will be brushing the hair over the pan maker, and then after doing that I will tuck it in underneath the pan maker. Then I will be adding a scrunchie just to make sure that the hair stays intact. I will be using Vita molding gel to do my edges. Thereafter, I will tie it down with a silk scarf. This step is optional. Sinjay but extintió sana. I love the way my edges turned out. It just like took this hairstyle to another level. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Please smash that like button and please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.